Hey guys, welcome back, and we are finishing up the series on data entry form, and we are answering the question, how special is the data entry form again? I mean, you can enter data in the cells, you can be fast about it and all that. So in this tutorial we're going to look at other functionalities that the data entry form has. I downloaded this shit. Alright, so it has dates, injury location, gender, age group, incident type, days lost, client, report type, shift, department, incident cost, weekday, month, and years. Alright, I couldn't come up with this kind of data, so I just downloaded it. So let's get into it. Stay with me. We're going to click here. This is where our data entry form is, and you discover that the first thing that this will show you, this data entry form will show you, is the number of records. So this sheet has 414 lines of data, or 414 records. Okay, that's the first. Alright, that's how special the data entry form is. Alright, of course you can scroll down. What if you have a million lines of data or a million records? Are you going to keep scrolling down and down until you find the last record? No, you can't do that. Alright, you just have to use the data entry form, and it's going to show you total number of records. Okay, for example, in this case I'm on the number 149 record. Alright, and the injury location is the I, gender is the male, and age group is 18 to 24, incident type 4, days lost 0, plant location is Illinois, report type is first aid, and shift was during the day. The department is administration. Incident cost is $395. Weekday was Thursday, and it was month number 8 in the year 2020. Alright, so that's how it is. Okay, and there's also another special way on how to find data faster. We use the criteria button. When you click on criteria button, it pretty much removes everything and then gives you an opportunity to search the data. Alright, so we are going to search by date. Alright, so we are going to say, okay, I'm looking for a record that happened on 11th January. So we are going to say 11 slash 01 slash 2020. Alright, and then if you click find next, you'll find out that the records that they have given me is the 11th January record. Alright, and that record is it's the 16th record of 414. Alright, and then you can read whatever you want to read about the data. Okay, and you discover that here there are actually 2 records that were reported on 11th January. So how to find the next one? You just click find next. Alright, and it says it happened on the neck, it's a male, and you also see here it's actually the same. Okay, 25 to 34 years, it's the same thing. Okay, crash and pinch, it's the same year. Alright, you can easily find records by searching in the data entry form. Alright, so the 7th record was actually the last one. So if we click next, it gives you that sound. What does that tell you? There are no any other records apart from these 2. Alright, so that's how data entry form helps you to find records easily, or to know about the records easily. Alright, so let's use another example. We are going to click on the criteria again, and then we're going to use the location of the plant. Alright, so we are going to write Alabama, and then if we click find next, you'll discover that all the records that are going to be coming here, they are going to be the records that the incident happened in Alabama. Alright, and if I continue clicking next, find next, all these records that are coming up on the data entry form are actually the records that happened in Alabama. Alright, I'll keep on clicking, and the only thing that's going to be changing are the other fields except the Alabama field. And if I reach the last record of Alabama, you discover that it would produce that sound again and tell me that this is the last record of the state Alabama. Alright, so that's how special the data entry form is. You can do a lot of things within the data entry form. You can enter data, you can find data, you can edit data, you can change data. It just makes it easier for you to work with Microsoft Excel. Alright, so thank you so much for watching the series, and this is actually the last one in the data entry. If there is another trick in data entry, I'll actually come back to it, but as of now, this is all I have for you. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to click subscribe as you have finished watching the tutorial.